hours.
Then how to count 24?
Like each day, a day takes 24 hours and the night takes 24 hours.
No, you are wrong. Vanilla. You
Sorry.
are losing.
No, I meant like a day takes 12 hours. A night takes 12 hours.
Total, what is the time?
Total, like when we count a day, it takes 12 hours, right? Full.
Okay.
So when it's fully done, 12 hours, we know that evening is starting. That's when night starts.
Vanilla. The total day and night will take 24 hours.
Yeah.
But my clock is having only 12 hours.
That means it counts half day and half night
No.
each time.
I am having a clock of 12 numbers only. But it should count 24.
It's dividing 24 hours into 2.
We get how you will divide 24 by 2 and get 12. Okay, it is nice. But how?
No,
Okay, I'll ask you one question. You are in the midday, okay, in the afternoon. The time is 12 o'clock, okay. I will fix 12 o'clock and show you. See, my round is only 12. Okay,
Yeah.
if I have a 24 numbers and the round is 24 means it is okay. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
It's totally not a problem and it's awesome.
Oh, super. Simple, 24 numbers put. But thing is, what is the problem?
The thing is that some clocks only have 12 hours. 12
No,
numbers.
all clocks, all hanging clocks will have
12.
12, but your watch will have 24 also. So there is a time format of 12 hour and 24 hour. Okay? The time taking for one rotation for planet Earth is 24 hour.
Yeah.
If I put a clock of 24 numbers,
Yeah.
what is the wrong?
It's awesome.
It's nice. But thing is the numbers are more.
Yeah.
Okay? And we are repeating that and differentiating by making the numbers small. Okay? Okay? Numbers are less. So accommodating in this one, okay, is easy with less number or more number?
Accommodating with one is easy with less number.
Less number. So these 12 numbers, okay, now how we are differentiating day and night?
By when it's day, light shines on us. When it's night, there's no light.
But how do my clock know? Okay, suppose now it is 12 o'clock. Is it midnight or afternoon?
We differentiate by
If
AM.
if you go out and see, if there is light means you will understand that it is midday. Okay? If it is dark means you will understand it is midnight. But how do we follow?
Like on the first round,
Hmm.
and there's light,
Hmm.
and the clock has only 12 numbers.
Hmm.
It's morning, definitely morning. It's AM. It's like.
Yes.
And
So
when-
this AM and PM, you will differentiate day and night.
Night.
Now write down. What I told you will write down.
That's a mark of.
Your one is red. Okay. So first day. Daytime. Write daytime. Daytime is how many hours and how it is identified. Very good. So this AM is telling it is day.
Time.
Okay. And the number is telling what is the time. Okay. So day is having the same time and night is having the same time. We are taking that reference. Okay. So with same 12 numbers, we are representing day time and night time. So night time went on. ఇది ఫాస్ట్ చేసి వచ్చామంట ఎడిటింగ్లో రాసివ్వండి. నౌ డే ఈస్ ఏఎం, నైట్ ఈస్ పిఎం. వాట్ ఈస్ ఏఎం?
AM is morning time.
No, what is the full form of AM? AM is afternoon, PM is pre-moon, subject is time.
Time.
So regarding time, you are asking a question. The first time. Second time, it got confused. Third time, you made it more confused. Simply ask the question in the subject. You, Vanilla, we told that daytime is AM, night time is PM. The time before noon is first time and it is called anti-meridian time. Okay, before noon. Noon is afternoon 12 o'clock. The time before 12 o'clock in the afternoon means night 12 will also come in AM. Okay, the time before 12, after night 12 is called
AM.
Okay, and the time after 12 noon is called
PM.
So the definition now it has been changed. Okay, you made a clock of 12-hour format. Okay, round with the needles going round. And this 12, okay, if it is before noon and after midnight, it is AM. Okay, and after noon is
PM.
before noon is
AM.
that's all. Simple. Write down. Now the question is, what does PM stand for in time?
PM stands for past midday.
Past meridian. Post meridian. Means what is the meaning of post?
Post means like it's a mail or something.
No. Post is okay.
Oh.
Pre is before. Okay.
I got confused with
So
the.
I will ask I will ask you one simple question. Do you know this word post-mortem? A operation done for a dead body. Okay, for confirming different reasons. Okay, post is after. You tell one example of post. Means anything done after. Okay, somebody call you, tell that what is today's program about movie. You will tell that let us postpone it. Okay,
Phone.
postpone means we are making on other day, after day, any
Phone
day.
like yesterday when we.
It is pre. When you take forward, okay, it is pre. Forward means post. Before, yeah, I told you subject. Only say cancer. ఇంగ్లీష్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది ఇది. ఇప్పుడు వెన్నెల పిఎం అంటే ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ పిఎం? ఓకే
Post meridian.
ఓకే హియర్ వాట్ వి అండర్స్టాండ్ ఈస్ ఎం ఈస్ కామన్ హియర్. They are differentiating a time, okay, taking M as a reference, okay, to that if it is anti-meridian, okay, it is time before 12 noon, okay, that time, and it is called first part. because we are having a time of 24 hours, one round of earth around itself. But the format we are taking is 12 numbers only, 12 hour format. So we have to repeat the round 2 times. So in that the time before noon is called
AM.
AM, and the full form of AM is it is anti-meridian another, where is another?
Anti-meridian.
Okay, anti-meridian means it is opposite. Anti means opposite means before only. Okay. Next PM is post-meridian.
Meridian.
Okay, these 2 things you are clear. You are clear about clock, 12-hour format. Okay. Now, how many minutes are there in 1 hour?
See, 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Okay. So now, first of all, you write down 1 day how many hours it has. 1 day and night total. లేకపోతే మూడు రాదు, ప్లస్ కొంచెం మంచిగా ఉండాలి, వెళ్తూనే ఉండాలన్నమాట బండి, అప్పుడు ఫాస్ట్గా వెళ్తుంది సార్. ప్లస్ వీళ్ళే ఇలా దీని ఇంటరాక్షన్ అంటారు స్టూడెంట్తో రాబీయడం. ఇప్పుడు వీళ్ళకి ఇంకా మర్చిపోరు అనమాట చెప్తే, వీళ్ళ సీరియస్ చూస్తారు భయ్ అంతే. వాళ్ళకి వస్తుంది ఏం చేసావు వాళ్ళు చూడాలి అంతే. ఈ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ లేదు భయ్, మళ్ళీ అదే బోర్డు మీద చెప్తా ఉంటారు, ఇక్కడ ఎక్కుతుందో లేదు ఎవరికైనా తెలుస్తుంది. ఇలా ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ మనమే అడుగుతున్నాం కదా వీళ్ళని, వాళ్ళు అడిగితే ఇంకా బాగుంటుంది, మనం మిస్ అయితే మనం అడిగేస్తాం, అన్నీ కవర్ అయిపోతాయి అన్నమాట. అది కాన్సెప్ట్. ఇది ఎంత వస్తుంది లేదు టైం మీరు అంతసేపు ఎందుకు చెప్పాలంటే కార్టూన్ షో చేసి 2 నిమిషాలు కూడా చెప్పచ్చు, ఒక బొమ్మ తిప్పి రౌండ్ తిప్పి, అవి కూడా ఉంటాయి. ఇది ఉంటే ఎప్పటికీ పోదు. అయితే చిన్నపిల్లలకి ఇవి ఎక్కినాయి అంటే మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అన్నీ ఈజీ వస్తాయి, అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకుంటారు. నోహో ఈ 12 24 అవుతుందా అని. అప్పుడు మ్యాథ్స్ అనేది గాడ్స్ లాంగ్వేజ్, అది ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు అప్పుడు. ఇంకా టిల్ట్ యాంగిల్ వచ్చింది ఆయనకి, అవి లాస్ట్ లిస్ట్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం ఏమేమి నేర్చుకున్నామని. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టైం డన్. ఓకే, ద డే ఈస్ 12 hours, నైట్ ఈస్ 12 hours, టోటల్ డే అండ్ నైట్ రైట్. 1 day and night. Okay. 1 day and night is 24 hours. Good, very nice. I don't know, you can miss one. The knowledge of time, needles.
Yeah.
Okay, they only sense by mind. Inside their mind, one clock is running. Okay, they get up early in the morning. They never miss the time. Your cock will get up in same 4 o'clock and will make same sound.
And then we'll get up.
So it will never miss because they don't deviate.
Yeah, they
But-
don't have clocks.
No, they have habit. They go to bed at same time. They get up at same time.
That's why they get up in the morning.
But you are not regular to the bed. Sometimes you watch movie, sometimes you watch TV, sometimes you take post lunch, some cake or something. Okay, so maintain time, discipline. Right time to bed, right time from bed. Okay, now we are following this clock. Okay, tick tick. Okay, this second tick tick we have divided into 12 numbers.